Hello and welcome to SDC Verifier tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a plate/stiffener backlink check in SDC standalone. For this tutorial, we will use a model that represents a part of a ship. In this model, I have already created one job that consists of 5 individual loads, 4 load sets, and 1 load group. In order to perform a plate/stiffener backlink check, first we need to recognize our plate elements in FEA model. We have a dedicated tool for that, which is called Panel Finder. You can access it on the model tree by going to the Recognition tab and double-clicking on the Panel Finder. You can also access it from the top ribbon called Recognitions. In order to recognize all the plates, simply just click the Find button on the bottom of the window. As you can see, recognition was really fast. On the left side, we can see all the sections that were recognized. Let's select them all and plot them in colors. If you select one section, on the right side you will see a list with all the plates elements that belong to it. You can manually add them, remove, or modify the existing parameters. In this tutorial, I will be using a DNV plate/stiffener backlink standard from 2010. In order to add it to our project, right-click on the Standard button from the model tree, go to Add, DNV, and Plate/Stiffener Backlink. You can also add it from the top ribbon called Standards. Here a new window appears. SDC is asking us for some input parameters. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will leave everything as it is. As you can see, a new standard has been added to our model tree. We have a total of 3 checks, so let's preview them. Right-click on the plate backlink, go to Criteria Plot, and over here we need to select what parameters we want to plot and under which loading. I'm gonna use an envelope of our results. In order to plot, click on this icon and click Preview. So our plot looks like that. We can also add a table to it. Right-click on the plate backlink, click Table, and choose a type of loading. I'm gonna use the envelope as well. We have different types of tables, Expand and Extreme. I'm gonna use the Extreme and click Fill the table. Let's check the stiffener backlink results now. Right-click on it, go to Criteria Plot. Once again, select the envelope of our results. And let's plot the overall utilization factor. That would be it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.